In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run TikTok ads for local businesses. Start by opening your TikTok ads account. Make sure you're logged into the Ads Manager so you can access the campaign setup dashboard. From there, look for the Create Ads button and click it to begin a new campaign. This is where you define the goal for your local business. Choose brand awareness as your objective. This tells TikTok that your main aim is to get in front of as many relevant people as possible in your area. Next, select video views. Think of this as your optimization focus. TikTok will try to show your ad to users most likely to watch your video, which is perfect for showcasing your business, products, or services to local customers. Click. Continue to move forward. You'll now be prompted to enter a campaign name. Choose something clear and descriptive, such as the business name plus the promotion or location. Good naming keeps everything organized, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns. Click Continue again to move into the ad level setup. Now select the video you want to run. Pick a short, engaging clip that shows your storefront, your team in action, or your best-selling items. Keep the first 3 seconds attention-grabbing with clear visuals and a simple on-screen message. Add captions if possible to make it easy to follow without sound. Next, select Targeting. Since this is for a local business, set the location to your service area, your city, neighborhood, or a radius around your address. Choose the age range, gender, and interests that match your ideal customers. For example, a local gym might target fitness interests, while a cafe might target food and lifestyle. Try to keep your audience specific enough to be relevant, but broad enough to reach new customers nearby. Now, select your budget. Decide between a daily or total budget based on how long you want the ad to run. Start with a manageable amount, monitor performance, and scale when you see results. TikTok will estimate your reach so you can balance cost and exposure effectively. When everything looks good, click Publish. TikTok will review your ad to make sure it follows community and advertising guidelines. Once approved, your ad will start delivering to people in your selected area. That's it. You've set up a simple, effective TikTok ad focused on building awareness and driving video views for your local business. Keep an eye on the results in your Ads Manager and refine your video and targeting over time to improve performance.